Okay, this is the Trouble Cam, episode 2, Trouble Cam. Okay, how you doing, Trouble? Just laying down by the door waiting for it to open, but it won't. Trouble. He looks pretty tired. I think we should leave him alone. Yeah, he's pretty tired. He's knocked out from a long day of playing. Too bad we didn't get that on video. Here, Trouble, come on. Come on. Okay, come on. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Come on, come on. Get up. Get up. You're on camera. Okay. No, Trouble. Come on, Trouble. Boring. That was episode 2 of Trouble Cam.